Hola amigo, welcome to my channel Learning with Kashish. Remember the word what we use for welcome? Bienvenido. Bienvenido. Bienvenido a la clase de español. Welcome to the class of Spanish. So today our topic of discussion is cognates. Do you know what is cognates? Cognates are the word which is derived from somewhere, means cognitive skill, from the same source. So we want to discuss that some of the words which is in English which is same as in Spanish and or little bit of tweak. So cognates are the words which are originated from the same source. So in English and Spanish and English, both many of the words in both the language are derived from Greek and Latin. So there are certain rules with which you can improve your vocabulary extensively. The first is some words are same in which is in Spanish and English, but their pronunciation is different. For example, color, C-O-L-O-R, color, but in Spanish we will say color. Then crisis, then in Spanish crisis. In Spanish we will say pronounce it as a crisis. Spelling is same but pronunciation is different. Drama, it is same. Error, error. Then general, remember G in Spanish is H, the sound H. General. Horror, I am saying horror, not horror. H is silent in Spanish. Then probable, probably is probable. Okay, it is same. Tropical is tropical. So first is some words are same but the pronunciation is different. Second is some have extra vowel. There are some words which have extra vowel. For example, client. In English if we say client, in Spanish it is cliente. Then evident is evidente. Then ignorante, e we will use in the end. Then artista, artist is artista. Parte, important, importante. Okay, IMPORTANT. Important is importante. Program is programa. Programa. Additional A we will use. Then pianista. Problema. Okay, A is always A, E is always A, and A is always A in Spanish. Then contacto, I am using extra O. Then perfecto. This is how we pronounce it. Then líquido, we will not pronounce this. Líquido, So if we remember this rule, we have lots of vocabulary. We just have to remember where we have to replace it. Now we have another which is ty. If any of the word is ending with ty, in some of the things. It is not every time applicable, but there are certain words which are ending with ty, then the ending will change into tad and dad. For example, faculty. Faculty will change into, faculty in English will change into facultad. 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 Now, liberty, 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 it will change into liber, and ty will change into tad, libertad, libertad, we will pronounce it libertad. Then curiosity, curiosity will change into cur, okay, it will change into curiosidad, curiosidad. What will be the spelling? Curiosidad, curiosidad. Here it will be C, but the sound will be K. Curiosidad. Then society, society, sociedad. It will be sociedad. It will be sociedad. Okay. Then clarity. It will be claridad. Claridad. Clarity will be claridad. Maybe it is, whatever I am writing, it is very small, but I am pronouncing and reading the spelling, so please listen to that. Eternity, it will be ETERNI. Instead of TY we will write DAD. Ether, it will be eternidad, eternidad. Then capacity, capacity will be capacidad, capacidad. Okay. Then reality, reality will be realidad, reality will be realidad. Okay. Then there will be another rule. If some words are ending with y, the ending will be changed with ia, io or ia. IA with I accent, and then IA and IO depend upon masculine or feminine. So, instead of Y we will write that. For example, company. If I am saying company, 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 how it will change? PANY. Okay. So, instead of Y we will write COMPANIA, compania. It will be different like this. We will write accent and there will be a nie, compania. We are writing A in the end. Then if I am talking about geography, then it will be GEOGRAPHIA, geografia, geografia. Remember G is H in Spanish, geografia. Then this is compania, this is geografia, this is historia. Okay, historia. Why I am saying historia? Because H is silent in Spanish. Historia. History is historia. We will say historia. And then pharmacy. Pharmacia. Okay. Instead of ph we will write only pha. Pharmacia. Pharmacia. We will say like this. And then dictionary. It will be Diccionar, and instead of I it will be diccionario. Okay, it will be diccionario. Can you find out the difference between these two sounds? This will be sound K, this will be sound S. D-I-K, Diccionario. This is how we pronounce it. Diccionario. I told you in my previous lesson that C has two sounds, which is K and S. So in dictionary, both the sound is there. Diccionario. Okay. So next is ordinario. Ordinary. Ordinary. So these are the words. If they are ending with ty, it will change into tad, and dad accordingly you have to remember that. It is not just a rule, like here in faculty the ty will change into tad, but in society ty will change into dad. So we have to remember this. And if the words are ending with y, it will change either with the accent ia, then ia and io. It means it depends upon masculine and feminine also. So for example, we can see all this from the near, because maybe you have to write it down. Facultad, libertad, curiosidad, sociedad, claridad, eternidad, capacidad, realidad. And here compañía, I forgot to write O, C-O-M-P, compañía, geografía, historia, farmacia, dictionary, diccionario, then ordinario. So please remember all these rules, and we have further two rules which we will discuss next. So if another word is which end with tion, T-I-O-N, tion will change into C-I-O-N with accent mark. Okay. For example, action, A-C-T-I-O-N, action, T-I-O-N, A-C, it will change into C-I-O-N. Axion, nation, nacion, N-A-T-I-O-N is sion, nacion. Administration, administración, it is administración. Then fraction, friction. Fraction is friction. Section is section. Sec, again it is like dictionary, and S. Section. 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 It will be section. Section. Okay, like dictionary. So both k and s is there. Section. Emotion. 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 Combination. Combination. How do we write it? Combination. Combination. This is how we pronounce it. Then contribution. Contribution is contribution. Contribution. We will read this contribution. This is, if word is ending with tion, it will change into cion. Then end with ous and oso. Then it will be generous के लिए, generous is generoso. Generoso. Generous is generoso. Famous. Famoso. Delicious. Delicioso. Everything is changing into oso. Then tedious. Tedioso. Contagious. Contagioso. Then if I want to say curious, then we will say curioso. Religious. Religioso. So I hope I am able to make you understand that there are so many vocabulary which is similar with the spelling in Spanish and English, but the pronunciation is different, and there are certain ending, if the word is ending with them, that will change into a different thing. For example, ty will change into tad and dad, quality means tad and dad, and tion will change into cion, and ous will change into oso. Now we will revise it again. So some words like color, crisis, drama, error. Then extra vowel like cliente, parte, importante. Then ty will change into tad and dad. Faculty will change into facultad. Eternity will change into eternidad. Then clarity will change into claridad. Okay. Then y will change into either ia with accent, ia and io. It depends upon the gender. Company, compania. Compania, it will change into compania. History will change into historia. Okay, H is silent. Then pharmacy will change into pharmacia. Okay, it will change into F. Okay, pharmacia, same. Then tion will change into cion. Then for example, fraction will change into friction. 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 K and s both are same. Okay, k and s, friction. Section. Section. It will be section. K and s will same in the same word, k and s. The sound, remember the sound c, k and s, like dictionary, dictionario. Then ous will change into oso. For example, delicious. Delicious will be delicioso. Delicioso. Tedious is tedioso. Tedioso. Then religious. Religious will be religioso. religioso, but it will be pronounced as, G will be pronounced as H. Religioso. Religioso. So remember these rules and you can increase your vocabulary with the help of all these things. Thank you so much.